4-inch piece of 22 gauge floral wire. That is going to be the wire for our swag. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do. I'm going to flip this over. Okay. You would finish off the rest of your pig. But remember how we've been building everything on a big bulky base? I'm going to take the biggest chunk that I have in here. I'm going to try to make it so I can get my fingers through there fairly good. And I'm going to feed my wire right through the center. Okay, I'm going to try not to bend my wire so it'll go straight through and out the other side. Okay, where'd you go? You're down here. There we go. So down here, now I'm going to have to fluff my bow again. That's okay. So we're going to take this. I'm going to make sure some of the little stuff doesn't get all mixed in there. Equal parts. Nice little twist. And I'm going towards the top of my swag. So this, I would just finish off. Tuck this back down. Okay, here's my swag. This is what it's going to affix to the top. Again, I'm double checking. There's my top. Here's my thing. We're going to fix it. I'm just going to set this here. It's going to go up and over. So those wires that I have, seeing if you guys can see this. Let me go ahead and just lift this up. See how I can get this. I'm just going to secure this on the back of my finial. I'm trying to just bend it and get it as close as I can so I can twist it. The tighter I twist it, it just allows me to move it more. So just like 2 or 3 twists, just like that. So move you up just slightly. So all I did is twist the wire around the base of my finial, and then I'm going to take the rest of the wire and I'm going to go back in the swag direction, and I'm going to hide that so that we don't have that on the back of our lantern swag. And then for my lantern swag, I got to fluff because I laid it flat to do all my bows and stuff. So again, here's my swag. Let's fix everything so it's all nice and pretty. Just like this. I like them to kind of come in a curling direction, just like this. And as it goes around the sides, I'm taking my ribbon and just kind of curling them, just like so. Let's pull this one down. Okay, that's that part. Right now, all you can see is the bow in the very top. I got to go over to the other side because I can't do it from where it was at. Just open everything up. Bring all your pieces down.